that one. It was a holiday. Gopi wanted to do something. Not that one, which means not that one, another one, which is not that one. Okay, it was a holiday, which means a little boy named Gopi. It is a holiday for him. He wanted to do something for that day because he is very getting bored at that day. Now his mom is reading newspaper. Mom says, "What is in that green box?" said Gopi. Gopi is asking his mom, "Mom, what is in this green box?" He is asking, but mom was reading newspaper. She didn't reply anything. Gopi put a stool over a chair. He climbed up to get the box down. "No, no, not that one. All those boxes will fall on our heads," Gopi said mom. Gopi was angry with his mother. Gopi put a stool over a chair. For what? He want to get that green box. The green box is in the roof, so he wants to get the box. So he put his stool above the chair, over a chair, and he climbed up the chair to get that green box from the roof. But mom replies, "No, Gopi, no, you didn't take that box. All those boxes will fall on your heads," Gopi said mom. But mom says, Gopi, no, you didn't take that box. If you take means the box will fell down on your head, like that his mom is saying. But Gopi was angry with his mother. He gets angry for his mother. "Come, let's go to the market. I will get you something," said mom. "Yes, we will," said Gopi. Mom said to Gopi, "Come on, Gopi, let me go to the market. I will get something. I will buy something for you." Something for you, like that she is saying. Then Gopi says, "Yes, we will," said Gopi. Gopi said, "Yes, we will." Next one. Next, Gopi and mom went to the market. Gopi was still angry. "I want that one," he said, pointing to an apple. "No, no, not that one. The fruits will fall down," said the shopkeeper. Both went to the market. At the market, they saw the apple stall. Gopi pointing to an apple and said, "I want that one." But she is saying, "No, no, not that one. The fruits will, if you take the fruit means all the fruits will fall down," like that the shopkeeper is saying. Next, they went to the bookshop. "I want that book," said Gopi. "No, no, not that one," said the shopkeeper. "The books will fall down." The Gopi said, "I want that book," he is saying. But the shopkeeper says, "No, no, not that one. If you take the book means all the books will fell down," like that the shopkeeper is saying. Next, they go to the samosa stall. In that stall, look at this picture. "I want that one," shouted Gopi, almost pulling out a samosa from a high stack of samosas. "No, no, not that one," warned the shopkeeper. "All my samosas will fall down." "I want that one," shouted Gopi. Gopi said, "I want that samosa," and he pulling out one samosa from that high stack of samosas. "No, no, not that one," warned the shopkeeper. Gopi says, "I want that samosa," but the shopkeeper warned, "No, Gopi, you don't take that. No, boy, don't take the samosa. If you take means all the samosas will fall down." Next one. He was now in a very bad mood, but Gopi was in very bad mood. He was still angry with all the shopkeepers and his mom. Okay, listen. Gopi was now in a very bad mood. Gopi was in very bad mood because he was very angry at all the shopkeepers. Next, they went to the flower shop. In that shop, he picked that one flower, but the flower shell shouted at him, "No, no, not that one. If you pick means all the flowers will fall down." "I want that one," said Gopi loudly. "No, no, not that one. The flowers will fall down," said the flower seller. Look at this picture. The flower seller shouted at Gopi, but he is picking the flower from the basket. So Gopi was crying loudly. Everyone was looking at Gopi. Next, suddenly his mother said, "I want that one, the black one," said mom loudly. His mom said loudly, "I want that black one." Suddenly Gopi stopped crying and he is surprised. He stopped crying suddenly. What was the black one? He saw a basket of puppies. He was very surprised. for the puppies. Mom, no, no, not that one. Let's take this brown one, said Gopi. Gopi said, Mom, no, I don't want that black one. Let we take this brown one, said Gopi. Then Gopi gently took the brown puppy. It was on top of the pile. Mom smiled. Gopi was smiling too. He was happy. Then gently Gopi softly took the brown puppy from the top of the collection of puppies pile, which means collection. Okay, from this collection, Mom smiled, Gopi was also smiled. The both are very happy. Okay, do you understand this lesson? Once again listen, we are going to recall. Not that one, which means not that one, another one, like that. A little boy named Gopi, it was a holiday for him. He is very bored at him. He wanted to do something, but his mom was reading newspaper in that holiday. He asked his mom, Mom, what is in that green box? Pointing to the roof. Mom didn't reply anything, so he put a stool over a chair and climbed up the chair to take the green box from the roof. Mom warned, No, Gopi, it will fall on your heads. But Gopi was very angry at her, and mother convinced him, Shall we go to the market and I will buy something for you? Gopi said, Yes, yes, we will go. Like that she is saying. They both went to the market. First they went to the fruit stall. Gopi says, I want that one, and he goes to pick the one apple. All the apples are fall down, so the shopkeeper shouted at him, No, no, not that one, don't take that. If you take means all the apple will fall down. And next they go to the bookshop. Like that he also do this same way. He picked the one book from the book stack, but the shopkeeper warned him, No, no, not that one. If you take that book means all the books will fall down. Next they go to the samosa stack. In the stack also the shopkeeper warned, Don't take that samosa. If you take means will fall down. Gopi was a very mischievously do all these things in the market. So next they went to the flower shop. In the shop also the same thing happened. The flower seller warned, No, no, don't pick the flower. If you pick means all the flower will fall down. Suddenly his mom do one thing. She says, I want that one. I want that black puppy. Gopi suddenly stopped his crying and look at this, what is that? But there are lot of puppies, small puppies there. He liked puppy very much, and so he said, No, mommy, I don't want that black one. We will take this brown puppy. Mom said yes. Then both are very happy and they left the market with the brown puppy. Okay, students, do you understand? Okay, now we move to the book back exercises. Circle the correct word. Look at this picture. This boy is happy. So happy. I circle the word happy. Next one, this boy is very angry. So angry. Next, box. B-O-X. Box. Next, this is samosas. Okay, then Gopi pulled the dash. Green or red box. Gopi pulled the green box. Next, Gopi and mom go to the market or park. They both went to the market. Gopi wants an orange or apple. Apple. Mom wants a black or brown puppy. Black puppy. Okay, next lesson 3, meanings and opposites. Meanings means meanings. Okay, or a meaning ஒரே மாதிரி இருக்க words, that is meanings. Cry, which means shouted at angrily. Above, over, which means stop, மேல. Then fall, drop, fell down, fall from something. Next, pull, drag, which means இழுக்கிறது. Pile, collection of some things. Next, opposites அப்படின்னா எதிர்ச்சல், ஆப்போசிட்டாக இருக்கிறது. Fall, rise, fall, which means increase. Fall means decrease. Rise means increase. Next, pull, push. புல்னா என்னது? இழுக்கிறது. புஷ்னா தள்ளுறது. புல்லுன்றது drag அப்படின்னாலும் இழுக்கிறது. புஷ்னா தள்ளுறது. Scare, frighten, which means பயந்துக்கிறது. Scare, frighten. Next, lazy, active. Lazy, which means சோம்பேறித்தனமாக இருக்கிறது. ஆக்டிவ்னா வெரி பிரிஸ்க். ஹாப்பி, சேடு, சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கிறது, சோகமாக இருக்குது. ஓகே, டுடேஸ் ஹோம்ஒர்க் lesson 2, meanings and opposites, read and write. Okay, students, thank you.